having a few work drinks. So 1 bottle of Jaeger just for me. And thank you very much. Drinks on you, Hannah. You must have had a good week, because what would Friday night drinks be without the drink itself? Jennifer, what was your card? The 4 of clubs. Nailed it. You absolutely nailed it. I'm very impressed. Now I'm going to do this straight down the barrel, and this gives opportunity for everybody to see the moment. It goes through on 3, 2, and now inside the wallet I've got a business card, and on this business card, what I wrote was last night, as you can see, 1st of the 6th. I wrote, enjoy your trip to Mexico. Folded it up, but it's what's written. Where's the place you thought of? Because I wrote is, you'll search for Africa on Monday the 27th of April. I wrote this down.
What the actual? I put Antarctica and then I changed it the last minute to Africa.
Which time did you say?
156.
1:56, yeah?